So today we've got some potato skins on the go, filled with spinach and feta cheese. Absolutely delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So I've got my spinach here. This spinach, nice green leafy, thick leaves and nice thick stalks. I'm going to keep the stalks on as well. Now with any spinach or anything you're using, or palak or whatever you want, what you need to do is give it a nice wash in some cold water. There's going to be lots of grit, little bits of stone in there. Nice cold water, a little rinse through, and then you're ready to cook. So let's get to the cooker, cook this off. It will cook in absolutely no time. By the way, it looks like a huge amount. It's not. It will cook right down. Okay, so large saucepan. On goes the heat. Water. Just a small amount in there, you know, because we're going to get a lot of water from the spinach itself. In it goes. The heat is on quite high. Gonna pop a lid on that. 5 minutes, 6 minutes maybe, it's done. Okay, off goes the heat. Lid off, steam out of there. And that's beautiful, really, really beautiful. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this out and drain it off. And then once it cools down, I'm gonna squeeze it with my hands. I'm gonna give it a good squeeze, get any excess water from it, and then I'm gonna chop it. So you saw what I done there. So I just got some nice potatoes, give them a little scrub, dropped them into some water, cold water with a little bit of salt, and boiled them so they're nice and soft. They've cooled down now. What we're going to do is we're going to cut them open. Obviously, this is the star of the show, isn't it? The potato skins. Let's move on. Okay, so look, that's what I've done with the potatoes. They were nice and soft. I've scooped them out, kept our lovely skins there. And there's the potato from the middle. We're going to be using that. There's our spinach that we done. I've got 1 cup of feta cheese here, salt and pepper, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 1 regular sized onion cut nice and small. Let's get to the cooker. So here I've got some olive oil. The heat is on, above medium. Just put it on now. In goes that onion and the garlic. And we're going to just go for 3 minutes on an above medium heat. So to that I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to drop in the potato that we scooped out. We're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Stirring often. We're now going to drop in our cooked spinach. To that we're going to add the oregano and thyme. And again, another 4 minutes on the above medium heat. Stirring this in, cooking it away. We're nearly done. Okay, wonderful. Now if you wanted to go an extra step, you could chop some fresh coriander, parsley or fresh dill in there. Maybe put in some chopped black olives, some nice Kalamata olives if you fancied that. For me, I like it just like this. What we're going to do now is we're going to grab our feta, like a cup of feta cheese. We're going to work this all in, and then this filling is done. Okay, so before we move on to the next step of filling our potatoes, get your oven on maximum heat. Just turn it right up and get it preheated for like at least 10 or 15 minutes before we pop these in. So the potato skins are in the tray. You can use metal like me, or glass or ceramic. I've put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom there. Simply, we're going to just fill the skins with this beautiful spinach and feta. Back in a moment. Okay, so nice hot oven. They're going to go in my oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. They're done. And there you go, piping hot out of the oven. They look absolutely delicious. Let me get them on a plate. And there you go, absolutely fabulous. Serve that with just a little bit of lettuce, black olives, tomato and sliced red onion. Beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.